Hello friends, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. I'm really excited to announce that we are going to start a Python series. This will be the introduction video on Python series, so stay tuned. What can we expect from this series? This entire series will be all about Python 3. We will start from very basic, then we'll go till advanced level topics. If you already know any programming language, then it's good, and if you don't know, then it's okay because we will cover each and every topic. If you are from non-IT background, then don't worry about it. This series will cover each and every topic so you can learn programming with Python from scratch. If you want to start your career in Python, then you came to the right place. If you want to crack interviews as a Python developer, then this series will help you. What we learn from this series. First, we will start with basic Python, then we will jump to the OOPS with Python, then intermediate Python, then advanced Python, then at last expert level Python. We will start with basic Python. So in basic Python, we will cover introduction to Python, like what is programming, what is Python, why should we learn Python, variables and data types. We will learn about what is variable, what is data type, Python support what kind of data types, input output with console. We'll write some programs to get input from users, write output to console. Operators. We'll learn about what operators are, various types of operators Python support. Conditions. In conditions, we will learn if else and shorthand or one-liner if else, and then how we can use operators in condition and nested or chained condition, then pass statement, and last switch case. Loops. What is looping, for loop, while loop. Functions. What is functions? We'll write some functions. Next, error handling. In error handling, we will learn what is error handling and why should we use this and how to use this. Next one, read write files with Python program. So in this we will learn how to read any file, how to update any file and write a file with Python. We will cover these topics in basic Python, and then we'll jump to the next topic. So in OOPS with Python, we also have various topics. So first topic will be introduction to OOPS with Python. So in this we'll learn what is object-oriented programming. OOPS stands for object-oriented programming. If you are non-IT person, then this is for you. So in introduction, we will learn what is object-oriented programming, which OOPS features Python support. Next one, classes and object. What are classes? What is object and instance? Next one, polymorphism. Next one, encapsulation, inheritance, data abstraction, method overloading. So we'll learn what is method overloading and how can we use this with Python. We will see the example of method overloading. Next one is instance methods, static methods, class methods. Where should we use which method? What are these methods? So we will learn all of this. Public, protected and private access modifiers. So in OOPS with Python, we'll cover all these topics which you can see on the screen. So next we will jump to the intermediate Python. In intermediate Python, we also have some topics that we will cover in this Python series. So first topic will be the optional parameter, next map function, and the third one is filter function, lambda function, introduction to collection, named tuple, and deck. So these are the topics which we cover in the intermediate Python. Next, we will have advanced Python. So in advanced Python, we also have some topics. So let's check this, which topics we are gonna cover in advanced Python. First topic will be dunder magic method. It is a double underscore method. Second one, super method. Third, meta classes, decorators, generators, context managers, tab add conventions. So these are the topics which we will gonna cover in advanced Python. Last but not the least, we have expert level Python. In expert level Python, we will going to cover multi-threading and multiprocessing, dynamic programming, data structures, unit testing, scripting, and automations. So these are the topics we will gonna cover in expert level Python. I hope you all are excited to hear all of these topics. So this will be the huge series for all of us. So stay tuned with me. Then we will start building Python project to learn some real life uses of Python, and we'll use some very popular Python framework and many more. We divided topics into several chapters for a high level idea, and definitely this list is not final and we'll add more topics later. If you like this video and if you want to see the Python series, then do like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.